Hey Alex, this is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. I'm going to show you the top 3 optimizations that has helped countless others just like you improve leads coming from your website. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why I should do this. Well, here's why. Oftentimes, in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet has benefited them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found that giving people an easy attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, and can you please do this for me? So, if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, and you shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try it yourself, I'd like some feedback if that is possible, or even a review on Google would be fine. This is just so I can show others the importance of SEO as well. Now, the first thing I like to go over with you is your content. So, doing a quick scroll through your website, I found you have about 400 words, which is nice, but your competitor has about 300, so you're beating them out in that aspect. Now, the reason they're beating you out is because they have more links and more keywords. But this is yours right here. You have 16 backlinks, 4 referring domains, and 7 organic keywords. So the keywords are what go into your content. Since you don't have that much content, you can't fit as many keywords into your website. So in order for a business to be fully optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with those keywords. And in comparison with your competitors, they had about 300, right? So going to the organic keywords, they have about 98 organic keywords. So they're beating you out in this aspect. And reason why they're getting so much traffic because this one keyword, commercial roofing in St. Louis, has 250 people searching for this keyword monthly. So first position, that's bringing in a total of 98 traffic to their website using this one keyword. So if we can get this word, renovation roofing or Meridian St. Louis roofing, ranked up to number 1, you can be bringing in about 30 people per month off this one keyword, and then about 20 people off this keyword, and then another 30 off this keyword. If you can keep ranking those positions number 1. So the next optimization section I'd like to go over with you is the Google Map Pack. So doing a search for St. Louis roofing, you can see there's ads up top, and you have the map pack, right? So within the map pack, each one has a NAPS, which is a name, an address, and a phone number to call. So each NAPS is a citation that can be listened to directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. Now, another way you can rank these up is getting those 5-star reviews. 5-star reviews help boost the authority that you would already have from reviews from people you've already worked for. Now, the third thing I'd like to go over with you is your backlinks or your link juice. So that's what all of this is. It's all the organic traffic that you'll see in the first page. Now, this is another important aspect of Google because this is what gives your site authority. Now, link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest. But there is more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So, for example, if you have a relative site, say Angie.com linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. But I'm going to show you Ahrefs again. I'm going to go to your organics first. And Ahrefs is a program I pay for to help me figure out what a site is actually ranking for. And as you can see, the backlinks, you have 16. And you can see every single one that you have. So going over to one of your competitors, which would be commercial roofing or St. Louis roofing, you see there, this is their keywords. You see they have 177 backlinks with 47 referring domains. Now the backlinks, you can see every single one they have, so you can go after every single one that they have and make them your own. You have where they're from and where they're going to. You have the anchor text as well. So anchor text, you can just input keywords and that'll help you rank that keyword. Now, the 3 things I went over today was your keywords, your content, which is together, and then you have your Google Map Pack, which helps you get those local leads coming in with citations and rankings and your backlinks to where this is how you rank organically throughout Google. I hope this helped. And if you have any questions, I'd love some feedback. And hopefully we can get together and answer those. Have a good day.